Alright YouTube, today while I'm bored I thought I'd go around and try and repair some of these screw holes on my kayak, like that one right there. It's an eyesore. I used to have a pad eye here and I had the same size hole right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's almost a pinhole now. I didn't have any filler I could melt into it, but it's ready. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to push that one in. Let's see if we can get a better look at the one I already did. Okay, so all I have to do is stick a little drill shaving of and stick in there and melt it. And what you do though is you take this flat blade screwdriver and you go around the edges and push that back in. Then you come up with something that you can weld. You know what I mean? You got something better to work with. It's pushed in. A little pinhole. But it looks better than it did right there. And we'll go over that and I'll push that in. And wish I had some shavings from where I drilled out on the boat so I could use to patch that repair. But anyhow, I'll show you how to get it down to where you could patch it. Kind of reminds me of them guys that do dent repair. Them guys that don't use paint, they just kind of work the dent till it disappears. Dent wizard. I had him do one on my truck one time, man. Dude, really good at what he did. But yeah, you can push it down until it's almost disappeared. You know what I mean? Let's work at it a little more. Okay. And there's a little bit left that you could just melt right in there. You can kind of get that down in there. Push that edge over towards the center. Feels like it wants to pop off. And that's the piece we need to melt back in there. Be nice. Okay, let's catch it from the back. Okay, kind of push it in there. It's kind of tedious, but yeah, it really turns out good if you get it right. Look at that. Throw a little bit of heat to it and take a butter knife and that thing will smooth right on down where you can't even see it. Heck, that one turned out better than the other one. I'll leave that little piece on there. I don't want to tear it. Let's see if I can shut the hole on this one a little more. Alright, yeah. Just add a little bit closer in there. Like that. It's almost shut the hole. This plastic's pretty easy to work with once you get to know it a little bit. It's tricky, but like I said, once you get to know it a little bit, you can work with it. I hit that with the heat. That hole's going to close right up. So I got it a lot more closed than it was. And yeah, that's looking better. This I don't want to get any more. Maybe flatten it out a little bit. Can't get it too bad. I can fill this up a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so that's what we got. Let's take a closer look. Okay, that's that one. Alright, where's that other one? Right there. It's a little pinhole too. Now this one, the hole kind of shut all the way. If it wasn't windy, I'd use my torch and just seal it up. But that's kind of an easy way to help to get the hole smaller and easier to patch. Okay, YouTube, till there's something else I can't figure out and put on here. I'll see you later.